In the following, we will introduce you to Enlighten Manager, the monitoring, fleet management, and intelligence platform for Enphase solar professionals. In addition to Enlighten Manager, there are several variants of Enlighten, web software and mobile apps that are designed for different user groups. We will focus on Enlighten Manager with occasional references to My Enlighten and Enlighten Mobile, so you're aware of what the system owners see and experience. Enphase energy systems are comprised of industry-leading hardware and software, web-based content plus apps that all work together for simple, smarter energy solutions. Enlighten is the platform that manages and monitors your systems. It provides intelligence with resources to ensure performance, reliability, savings, and reduced maintenance. The Enlighten platform is made up of several components for different user groups. Enlighten Manager is for solar professionals and is used with Installer Toolkit, an app for installers and service persons. My Enlighten is the web-based platform used by system owners to monitor and control their systems. And finally, the Enlighten mobile app is similar to My Enlighten but optimized for smartphones and tablets. With these tools, the Enlighten system can alert you if estimated production isn't met or if there are equipment issues. Many customers and installers are happy to review and show off their system's performance and savings as well. Enlighten Manager is used to track, manage, and monitor your Enphase energy systems. When a solar or solar with energy system is developed, Enlighten Manager is used to set up the site with a new activation. The owner, address, and equipment are specified. And before or just after installation, the solar arrays are laid out in a digital array map, just as installed on the site. The Installer Toolkit app, available on iOS and Android, works with Enlighten Manager. It is for solar professionals only and is used at the job site to configure, install, and commission the system. Installer Toolkit loads information and settings into the Envoy and sends data to the Enlighten cloud. Here's a zoomed-in view of a system. We can see how much energy was produced so far that day. It's easy for the owner and installer to verify that the system is performing properly. From Enlighten Manager, the installer can see how much power each module and microinverter pair produced in granular 15-minute intervals. Here we have Power Today selected. You can view an animation of the system power output. Here's a slowed animation playback of performance on a cloudy winter day. Enlighten Manager is an intelligent monitoring solution that gathers performance data from each piece of hardware installed. You can view 6 key metrics that gets reported to Enlighten about each microinverter and the solar panels connected to them. There's AC output in watts, DC volts, DC amps, AC volts, AC frequency, and microinverter temperature. This can help diagnose equipment remotely. For example, if you see abnormally low DC voltage, you may have a failing solar panel. Odd AC voltage or frequency items? This can indicate a loose wire or defective breaker. Having this data available is valuable and can assist in remotely troubleshooting a system from the office. Importantly, without having to roll a truck, which saves you time and money. If you suspect a microinverter issue, you can use what Enphase calls Service on the Go. You can submit a return request from within Enlighten, which will run an equipment self-diagnostic and send a replacement to your desired shipping address. Often you can detect and begin resolving an issue before the system owner notices. This can reduce escalated customer interactions and allow you to maintain systems with proactive planning. Once systems are fully commissioned, the system owner can monitor their system via My Enlighten. This is different than Enlighten Manager. My Enlighten has a simplified interface. It displays energy production per microinverter as well as energy output of the entire system. If the system had consumption CTs installed, the system owner will also be able to see what their power consumption is throughout the day and night. The mobile app Enphase has developed is called Enlighten Mobile. This is similar to My Enlighten but optimized for smartphones and tablets. It's available for iOS and Android devices. Returning to Enlighten Manager, you can share information about your Enphase solar system. Energy production is shown here with the visualization of the solar array. Some businesses and schools choose to use a kiosk view feature that scrolls through different informational screens. This is a graph view showing energy generated and energy consumed. In this summary screen, you can see the positive impacts of your system shown with environmental benefits. For system owners, sharing information is easy from My Enlighten and Enlighten Mobile as well. As a solar professional, it's easy to view the systems in the same view as the system owner. Just select the My Enlighten view or Enlighten Mobile simulation to see exactly what they see on their mobile devices.